Hello. Alright, it's only 15 degrees out today, but I gotta get this done because my hatchback on the smart car here is not staying up. These struts, the strut here is leaking, as you can see, so it's the hatchback is not staying up. So I bought two struts here, and I'm going to replace those right now.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So it's fairly simple. There's these pins here, or I shouldn't call it a pin, it's a clip, and you just get the screwdriver in there and you pry it out. Just like that. See that clip there? That comes off, and then this will come off, and then you do the same down there. I've got it temporarily propped up here with the ice scraper. I don't think they're both bad. I think just the left one is bad, but I'm just going to replace both of them. Whoa. There you go. There you go. Now we just got to undo that side. I loosen the clip. Now I should take the clip all the way off. There you go. Old one off. Put the new one on. You don't have to take the clip off. They just pop right on. I'll do this end. There we go. We got that one on. This goes on really easy. That's a simple job. 5 minutes, both sides, I'm sure, is all that will take you if you want to do it. So this clip is off, so this can come off. I got these at AutoZone. They were 20 bucks each. I got the heater on, but it's not doing any good because I got the door open for some light. It's not good light in here. So you don't have to take the clip off. You just pop it right back on there. All you need to do. See? It's real easy. There we go. Got a working hatch now. Look at that. Look at that. Yoo-hoo! Now it stays up. Nice. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. That wasn't even 5 minutes. That was literally 2 minutes. Short video. I hope that helped you if you need help doing that. Catch you on the next video.